Fold 1 mist blue pipe cleaner at 5 centimeters. Cross at 3 centimeters, twist tight. Wrap the long piece once around, then twist with the short tail to secure. Wrap half a loop, hold it steady, pull through the center. Finish the loop and twist to secure. Trim off excess pipe cleaner with scissors. Make 3 petals in this way. Follow the same steps to make 4 light blue petals and 5 white petals. Take 1 green pipe cleaner and cut it into 3 equal pieces. Fold 1 piece at 3.5 centimeters. Cross both ends and twist tightly. Shape it into a sepal. Make 5 sepals total. Add glue to the lower right of each petal and connect them together. Arrange 3 mist blue petals as the first layer. Then roll them inward. Glue 4 light blue petals as the second layer around the outer ring. Wrap it around the outer circle on the basis of the first layer. Attach 5 white petals as the third layer with the same method. Glue the 5 sepals one by one into the gaps at the flower base. Put glue on the top of the stem. Then attach the flower firmly. Wrap the whole stem with light green floral tape.